Well, hello there, my fellow humanoids. Let's go and start to procrastinate again here in the lovely 2026 while we are eating and struggling to get fatter again. Well, actually not. Last day of eating, then we will continue our little journey. Just like last year, I mean, 20 kilos a year. Let's aim for 20 kilos again at 2026. Then I should be in a more manageable weight range. What shall we say? September, October? And of course, no sound, just give me a second. And chewing finished with these latest 500 calories. There we go. So, what's happening? Yeah. I got a couple of great ideas. And I ordered myself a new CNC. And yeah, I'm trying to get to do more technical videos. Perhaps even going back to half-time working for myself or something like that. That would be nice. Otherwise, if the quality of the graphics are bad at the moment, it's because I've been struggling with and my brain stopped working. I've been struggling with lag actually the last couple of days. We shall do some scouting here. I don't know if the graphics are noticeably more bad, but I put them down for maximum to high. Oh! No. He's like at the... Good luck shooting. Gella. Is that a German name? Say hello to my little friend. I really like playing this little... Oh! This is absolutely... Come on.
T72, 1 Uhr, Entfernung 350 Meter. T72, 1 Uhr, Entfernung 300 Meter.
That's very annoying. I need to reload. Oh my god. That was a fail of me.
Entfernung 300 Meter. T72, 3 Uhr. Entfernung 350 Meter.
Oh.
T72, 12 Uhr. Entfernung 350 Meter. Raketen an! Ziel zerstört! Panzer! 2 Uhr! Entfernung 350 Meter!
What the hell was going on here, man?
Panzer! 3 Uhr!
Oh.
If we don't do something fast, the enemy will win.
Oh yeah. So a little bit disappointing. But what can you expect? As you can see, I have progressed nicely, and actually, if you look at the research, I am close to my goal, and perhaps one beautiful day uninstall this game. I have gotten the Radkampfwagen 90, and I'm getting the TAM C, which means I will procrastinate the TAM and perhaps this one, because I don't know what type of ammo I got here. I really like this big light Panzer. Perhaps I will move the Diesel guy to here as well, or just get myself. Oh no, this guy. Yeah, this guy. Yeah. Anyways, enough chit chat. Let's go and have another game here. Yeah. Anyways, like I said earlier, I bought myself another CNC. This time it is for processing steel, for medium size, small and medium size thingies, projects. I think I can take up to 30 times 30, 300 times 300 millimeters times 150, something like that, in height, with a fairly good feed rate, and accuracy is down to 100 of a millimeter, which is in my case more than good enough, since I
Leopard, 11 Uhr. Entfernung 900 Meter.
oh
12 Uhr. Entfernung 700 Meter.
Enemy forces have captured this zone.
Panzer 11 Uhr. Im Nahbereich. T-72, 12 Uhr. Entfernung 400 Meter. Ziel 12 Uhr. Entfernung 1200 Meter. Endrakete an. Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Charlie 3. Zerschlagen. T-72, 1 Uhr. Da.
Flieger-Alarm!
Hubschrauber 3 Uhr. Entfernung 1700 Meter. Hubschrauber 4 Uhr.
Well, didn't go too good there. Get reward, unexpected threat. What was that? Yes, everything by me is unexpected. Anyways, that was it. The first game of this year. So